I've got a cool idea to spice up your barista skills. How about creating a personalized stencil for each cup of coffee you make? Right, let's do this. So for my stencils, I'm using a 1mm PET sheet, transparent, just because I like to see what's happening underneath. You guys can use whatever you have on hand, it doesn't matter. So in the design, I initially had to create the shape 2 to 3 mils larger than the circumference of the mug. And then I added on the teardrop effect and that, so I can hold it whilst I'm pouring the cocoa powder over the stencil onto the coffee. So now you can bring in your artwork. I like using words, but you guys can use anything like this. Say for instance, this rose. So now it's just a matter of cutting it out on the CO2 laser. Right, now that this is done, let's get to making a real cup of coffee and putting this to the test. Well, that was fun, it was easy. I hope you guys learned something and we'll catch you in the next one.